Legends of Learning presents the Water Frenzy Elementary Game. This is a geological science quiz game that makes learning about the roles of water in Earth's surface processes fun and easy to understand. In this game, you will help a cat collect items by using the keyboard arrows or by tapping to move around the map with your mouse. While collecting items, you must be careful to not bump into the enemies and bombs, or you will die. There are certain items that will reveal quiz questions for you to answer. You must select the correct answer by clicking on it with your mouse. Other items will have information text boxes for you to read to help you learn more interesting facts. There are different levels to complete to help you progress further in the game. Learn more about the roles of water in Earth's surface processes in this game as you progress to higher levels by answering all the questions correctly. You will be challenged with different levels of difficulty. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right skills to help you complete the game?